Hey crafty friends, Jen Cascell here. I am back with another design team project share for Scrap Diva Designs. Before we get started, here is the website. All of the info on the back. Make sure to use that hashtag Scrap Diva Designs for some amazing inspiration. And if I've inspired you in any way, please feel free to use my coupon code JEN10 for 10% off your purchase at the shop. I super appreciate everybody who uses my coupon code and affiliate link. I do get a small kickback that helps me continue to create free content for you guys. So let's dive in. Today we are going to be focusing on the recipe stamp and die set that came out this month. Super, super cute. So this is the recipe card stamp set that you get with the die set. And you do get 3 different dies. So you get this stitched piece for it. You get the labels and then the tabs. I haven't added those to my project yet, but I did cut them out if you kind of wanted to see what we're doing. But I don't know what recipes I'm going to add to this little mini album junk journal. I'm not even sure what to call it, but that's what they look like when you cut it out. So I created, it's a standing display album. I love a good display album. My inspiration was one that I believe it was Bambi Deer made, and hers was like really small though. I definitely played with the size and the measurements. So mine is, this is a 5x7 album. The recipe card is a 4x6 recipe card. And I used the flea market collection from Simple Stories. I actually bought the digital collection quite some time ago and I never played with it. So I kind of wanted to get it out and see what it was all about. But I super love how this turned out. Here's the front page. And then you just flip, and I added this cute little tag. I would say this album is about 90% done. I'm probably going to add some gemmies here and there. I didn't do any flower centers because I really tried to keep my flowers kind of flat for this one. But, and then this is just clipped on, so you can actually use the recipe card. And then this one, once again, it's just a hanging tag, and I left a lot of room for journaling. I figured this could be really cute. You could even add pictures to the other side of it and have this be like a cute little like memories with mom album or something like that. I thought that could be fun. I did add, this is the hexagon nesting set that came out. I believe it was like 2 months ago for this. And I have acetate and like a gold glitter tool behind the acetate. So thought that was kind of fun. And once again, another little journal spot. And this is just clipped on as well, so you can use the recipe card behind it. And I did add a little dangle to this clip. This is from my stash. I've been using a few of these lately, just trying to get rid of them. I have quite a few of them. And then I actually made this little candy dangle quite some time ago, and I do have a tutorial if you're interested. And then next up, we've got this cute little tag right here, the good stuff. And then the last recipe card, all of this is clipped on, and I just did a fun little embellishment, as well as a few different tags that I have put together. Fun little mini album. I've really been wanting to create a mini album for a while now. You can kind of see from this angle how it's put together. I just left everything, but I am probably going to add a little handmade label. Thank you so much for watching. I super appreciate all of the love and support. I really enjoy reading your comments. Thank you so much. And don't forget to head on over to Scrap Diva Designs. Use code JEN10 to save. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafty content. I'll see you in the next crafty video. Bye!